Hello students, hope you are doing well. The next step after the TS Polyset result declaration is the counseling process. TS Polyset counseling will be conducted by the State Board of Technical Education, who will also release a separate notification for the counseling process. The candidates must note that only those who have a valid rank in the entrance exam shall be allowed to participate in the counseling process. There will be a separate fee for counseling. In this video, we'll discuss all the details with regards to the TS Polyset counseling process. So, let's begin. TS Polyset counseling dates. You can check the complete schedule for TS Polyset counseling, including all the important dates, by clicking on the link that has been provided in the video description. Now let us look at detailed counseling process of TS Polyset. The very first step is processing fee payment. The candidates who are eligible will have to deposit the processing fee for counseling. The candidates can submit the processing fee via any of the available online payment methods. In addition to submission of the processing fee, the candidates have to also submit their TS Polyset credentials such as date of birth, ICR form number, etc. The next step is slot booking for certificate verification. The candidates will have to book their slots after completion of processing fee. The slot booking for verification of documents has to be done by candidates very carefully, as it will be the slot where the candidates will have to visit to get their documents verified. The third step is verification of documents. The candidates who have been shortlisted for TS Polyset counseling process will have to get their documents verified, which is a mandatory step for all the eligible candidates. The candidates will have to be physically present at the allotted document verification centers, which will be allotted on the basis of slot booking as done by the candidates. The candidates will have to bring all the photocopies and originals for the documents required, which will be verified in offline mode. After the document verification process, the candidates will be eligible for the next step, that is to register for TS Polyset counseling process. After the completion of document verification and prior to choice filling process, the candidates will have to register themselves for TS Polyset counseling process. The registration will lead to the creation of students' account, which will be used as a medium of communication between the authorities and the candidates. The fifth step is option entry or choice filling. In this step, the candidates will have to fill up the choice entry form. The candidates must ensure to enter their choices before the last date, otherwise the choices will be logged automatically by the server. After the final confirmation, the candidates cannot modify the choices filled by them. The next step is seat allotment. The seat allotment will commence shortly after the conclusion of the choice filling step. The candidates will be allocated seats on the basis of their performance in TS Polyset entrance exam, as well as the choices opted by them in the choice filling form. The seat allotment status can be viewed by the candidates from the login page. After allocating seat to a candidate, he or she will be issued an allotment letter, which must be downloaded from the login page only. Through the allotment letter, the candidates will know that which institute and course they have been allocated through the seat allotment process. The last step is reporting at the allocated institute. The candidates have to be physically report at institute which have been allocated to them. The candidate must carry the payment receipt and allotment letter along with them while reporting at the allocated institute. Now let us look at the list of documents that are required for TS Polyset counseling. SSC or equivalent mark sheet, 4th to 10th study certificates, TS Polyset rank card, TS Polyset hall ticket, Aadhaar card, transfer certificate, income certificate that should have been issued after 1st January of the year by the competent authority, and it is also required only if student belong to a reserved category. Caste certificate, again if student belongs to a reserved category. PH NCC Sports or Minority Certificate if they belong to the category, and finally Residence Certificate. Now let us look at the counselling fee for TS Polycet counselling process. The processing fee that the candidate needs to deposit is Rs 600 for general, BC and OC candidates, and it is Rs 300 for ST/SC candidates. That's all. Thank you. We hope that this video will help you through the TS Polycet counselling process. If you still have any queries, you can ask the same through the provided link. For more updates on TS Polycet counselling, stay tuned to College Dekho.
If you like this video, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.